Have you ever wanted to make money in real estate but didn't know where to start? Hi, I'm DC Fawcett, and I've created a free training where I'll reveal the secret I discovered 15 years ago that allows me to generate checks like these whenever I want. And on this training, you'll not only discover the secret strategy, you'll also discover how to generate checks like these without wasting any of your own cash, without using any of your own credit, without spending months studying to get any special licenses, and without leaving your house. I literally do it right here on my laptop by the pool. This training will show you how to get started immediately without any experience. Now, this is not about traditional real estate that requires large down payments and difficult to get bank mortgages. This is unlike anything you've ever seen before. All you need to do is click here to claim your free training. Wait, before you do, make sure that you go here and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the free trainings when we post them. So click here to claim your free online training. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the training.